All right, everybody, here is the final results of the center console. Looks real clean. Sorry for the mess in the center, but you can see the corners turned out really good. And the front. Definitely something you can all handle. Just take your time. Work on the corners one at a time. Cut the little relief holes and it'll turn out great. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something, and go for it. Okay, everybody, I am on part 3 of my video series for redoing my 2003 Lexus SC430 interior leather replacement. I just finished the driver's seat. Thinks it turned out pretty good. Now I'm going to tackle the center console. So opening up the top one, you're going to see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 screws I got to take apart. So let me take that apart and I'll show you what it is. Alrighty, I just took off all the screws and this plate comes off. It's supposed to come off. There we go. And what I see is I have to take out these 4 screws right here to take this top off. Here we go. Okay, the 4 screws are out. Lean this forward, pop this up, it's out. All right, here we go. Okay, I'm at my workstation and I'm gonna be taking all the staples out of here all the way around, and then I'll come back. Alrighty, what I did is I took all the staples and propped them up. Now I'm gonna take a pliers and pull them out. Okay, all the staples are out. Looks like in the corners they used the tack glue. So I'm gonna go ahead and pry that back. I'll probably need some little pliers to get it pretty stuck on there. Alrighty, be right back. Looks like I need to take these 2 screws off to get the rest of the leather around here. Alrighty, 2 screws are off. Just pull that out. The rest I released all, or took off all the tape on it. So let's see if I can just pull this back. Foam. There we go. There you have it. Foam looks like a pretty good condition. I'll take this little piece off and see what we got. Okay, here I am. I started with 3M. I sprayed it here. This is 3M Super 77 multi-purpose adhesive. I bought that at O'Reilly's. What I did is I sprayed it all the way here and on this side, and I started from the center. Then I came here, did the exact same spray as the center. Gives you plenty of time to work, and then you just go this side, this side, this side, this side, and in the center to here. Keeping in mind you want this in the center the whole time. Okay, as you can see, there's a little bit of wrinkle there. I'm going to pull that out a little bit more, and this stuff you can pull it out and re-stretch it if you have to. And on the back, I bought these clamps at Harbor Freight. I think they're less than $1 each to clamp that down. I'm just giving it, this is all just glued with 3M adhesive right now, and then I'm going to go back and work on these corners just to make it all nice. Thanks. Okay, next I'm going to spray this right here. I made a little relief cut to go around there, and I'm just going to get from here to here. Okay, on each corner, what you do is you cut what I call relief hook cuts. So when this one comes on, the next one comes on, you stretch and pull, and there's not so much material that it cramps up here. And you have to remember that this black plate right here covers this, so you want it to be, as long as the cuts are not past this point, you're never going to see this. All right, so give me a little bit. I'll just glue it up and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, how I'm going to tackle this on this corner, you can see all the relief cuts I've made, so that when I place it down, one on top of each other. All right, so I'm gonna glue this up right now. And every time you just stretch and pull, stretch and pull. Okay, looks like I got one corner left. I can see I've notched these all out. I'm gonna be putting it in one corner at a time, gluing them all up, and I'll show you the end result. Thanks. Okay, here's the end result of all of them. I got one little bit that came a little bit loose. I'm gonna finish that off, and then we are set to put the last piece in. Alrighty, and I already put this piece back. I'll show you the other side as that one's done gluing. Okay guys, I just finished the leather seats in the front. Thought I'd take a drive to a great sightseeing view and show off the car. I did the 2 front seats in the center console. I think it turned out pretty good. Did take some time to do, but it was all worth it. Look, this is a 2003 Lexus SC430 with the front seats being redone. Looks like a brand new car. Thanks guys for watching. Hope you liked the video. Hope you learned something. Have a great day. Don't be afraid to tackle this. Take care.